Hey guys, we're starting the cut of the flange from the brake pad. Okay, so what we're going to need, you need a jigsaw. You probably have just a cheap jigsaw that you normally use for cutting plywood and stuff like that, but if you can put in a decent fine-toothed blade, you should be fine as long as you take it steady. Allow yourself around 15 minutes per cut with a pause. So it's going to take you some time because it's serious stuff. Is cutting steel. If you can, then if you can get some cutting lubricant. This is Rocol metal cutting liquid. It's about 30 years old. If you buy a decent bottle of metal cutting lubricant, then it's going to last you a lifetime for home engineering. You just need drops every now and again, and yeah, it's great stuff. If your budget can't run to that, then just use ordinary an oil can and keep your cut well lubricated. Prepare your jigsaw and lubricate the support here where it goes up and down, and make sure that it's tightened, and check it during the job because it's quite a big job is cutting this. Let's have a look at yeah, and the blade. If you can get a good blade, a good blade is almost better than the actual kit, because the blade is going to cut through easier and it's going to protect the motor. So a good blade, new blade, and have a couple on hand, you know. But let's have a look at how you're going to lay the job out. Pop that down. Okay, so it's clamped, and we can clamp it with one clamp because it's very solid, is the metal. And plan your cuts. So I'm cutting this piece here, and then this allows me to cut just this short section here. I'm going to cut that section there and then down here. So plan it so that you can cut as little as possible. And as I say, you know, this cut, allow yourself 15 minutes to do this cut with a pause and stopping for lubricant, you know, and you'll drop on your cutting fluid like so, and yeah, a good firm grasp, and then just slowly penetrate through the metal, and it'll be fine. Okay, so we'll have a look when it's done. Let's hope the damned jigsaw doesn't burn out after what I've just been saying, but I think we're going to be fine. Alright, so I'll see you in 3/4 of an hour's time, something like that, and we'll see how we've got on. Alright. Done. It's the clamping. You've got to get creative with the clamping. You just begin to run out of spaces to clamp, and yeah, in the end, that final last little nib, that cat's cock hair, I tapped it off because yeah, I was just on the limit of clamping. So yeah, that's the problem. Yeah, you definitely need to devote an hour to it, but yeah, I did it on one blade and that was fine, and yeah, there's a little bit of metal there to clean off, but yeah, we're looking nice, and that'll all clean up and it'll be just like better than any factory produced flange. Alright, we'll see how it is tomorrow. It's too late now, it's going to make too much noise to clean that up, so we'll finish it tomorrow. Alright, bye for now.